Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rambharat Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science, Krishna Engineering College, Mohanagar, Ghaziabad. This is the second lecture on the non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. In this lecture, we will learn the rules of pi of e to the power ax plus by and the rules of pi for sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by. Clear? Dear students, we know that the journal for of non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation is f of d comma d dash z is equal to capital F of xy. The solution of this equation is z is equal to cf plus pi. Clear? The rules of cf we have already learned in the previous lecture. Now, clearly in this lecture, we learn the rules for pi. Also, we know that pi of the equation first is 1 upon f d comma d dash capital F x y. Clear? This is the rule of CF. The pi is based on the function. So let us take the case first. When the function f x comma y may be the form of ax plus by, where a, b are constants. So pi in this case, pi is 1 upon f d comma d dash e to the power ax plus by. For finding the pi, replace d by the coefficient of x a and d dash by the coefficient of y, which is b. So the pi is 1 upon f ab e to the power ax plus by, provided f ab will not equal to 0. If f ab is equal to 0, then the rules of pi fail. In this case, pi becomes multiplying x and differentiate partially with respect to capital D. If we multiply x, then differentiate partially with respect to x. If we multiply y, then differentiate partially with respect to d dash. Okay, here we differentiate partially with respect to d. So multiply by x. Clear? So this becomes, suppose f d dash e to the power ax plus by. So this becomes x 1 upon f dash and replace d by a, d dash by b e to the power ax plus by. Clear? Provided ax f dash a comma b will not equal to 0. Again, if f dash a comma b is equal to 0, then multiply again x and differentiate partially with respect to d. Clear? This is the rule for finding the pi when fx is of the form e to the power ax plus by. Clear? Now we understand this whole the rule of pi with the help of the example. D square, solve. D square minus d dash minus 2d dash square plus 2d plus 2d dash z is equal to e to the power x plus 2y. Dear students, before solving this problem, we check that this equation is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Suppose it is homogeneous, there are other cases. Suppose this is non-homogeneous, then we check it that it may be reducible to linear factor or not reducible linear factor. Clear? So before solving this problem, we check that it is homogeneous or not. It is or not. Clearly this equation is homogeneous. Sorry, clearly this equation not homogeneous because all the terms have not equal degree. Clear? So this equation means partial differential equation is not homogeneous, that means non-homogeneous. Again we check that, check it that it to be reducible or not. We reducible to linear factor or not. Clear? Now find it to be reducible or linear factor h. We try to factorize this equation for CF. Take d square minus d dash minus 2d dash square plus 2d plus 2t d dash z is equal to 0. Clear? So we try to factorize. This is second order term. We collect the second order term together. So this is d square and this is the quadratic equation d dash. So this can be written 2 minus 1 d dash minus 2 d dash square plus 2, take the common, this becomes d plus d dash, z is equal to 0. Clear? Open the 2d dash minus plus d dash minus 2 d dash square plus 2 d plus d dash into z is equal to 0. This is again becomes, take the d common in this equation, we get d minus 2d dash plus, take d dash is common in this term, this term d dash, this becomes d minus 2d dash plus 2d plus d dash, z is equal to 0. Take d minus 2d dash common from these terms, so we get d minus 2d dash into d plus d dash plus 2 d plus d dash, z is equal to 0. So this becomes, take the d plus d dash throughout common this, so this becomes d plus d dash d minus 2d dash plus 2 z is equal to 0. Clear? This is reducible to linear factor. If it may not reducible, then in this case we use the trial solution for the finding the CF. Clear? Now this is the reducible, so this first factor can be write as 1 into d plus 1 into d dash plus 0 and 1d minus 2d dash plus 2 z is equal to 0. Here in the first factor a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 0. In the second factor a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 2. So CF in this case, CF is e to the power minus c by a. C means 0, by a means 1, x. Phi 1 bx, b is 1, b minus bx minus a by a is 1, y minus a by plus again e to the power minus c by a, the value of in the second factor c is 2, by a 1 into x. Phi 2 bx minus 2x bx minus a by, that is by. Now we write. Clear? So CF becomes e to the power minus 0, that is 1, phi 1 x minus y, plus e to the power minus 2x phi 2. We take this arbitrary function as the even function, so this becomes 2x plus y. This is the required CF for this equation. Now find the PI of this function on next page. Yeah? The formula of PI is 1 upon f d comma d dash e to the power x plus 2y. Now put the value of 1 upon d square minus dd dash minus 2 d dash square plus 2d plus 2d dash, d square minus d dash square minus 2d dash square plus 2d dash plus 2. Okay, this is the FD e to the power x plus 2y. So replace d by a. A means the coefficient of x, and replace d dash y b. B means coefficient of y. This is 2 in this equation. So we get d means 1, d dash 1 into 2 minus 2 d dash square into 2 square plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 e to the power x plus 2y. So this becomes, this is 1 minus 2 minus 8 plus 2 plus 4. Sorry, minus 2 cancel, plus 5 e to the power x plus 2y. So we get 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 e to the power x plus 2y. So this becomes 1 upon 3 e to the power x plus 2y. Now the complete solution of this equation is CF plus PI. Now complete solution is z is equal to cf plus pi. Cf, the value of cf is phi 1 x minus y plus e to the power minus 2x phi 2 x 2x plus y, right? That is phi 1 x minus y plus e to the power minus 2x phi 2 2x minus y, sorry 2x plus y, sorry 2x plus y, clear? Plus pi 1 upon 3 e to the power x plus 2y. This is the required solution of the given problem. Clear? D square minus 2d dash. Clear? Now we learn one more example on this form. Question number 2. D square, solve d square minus d dash square minus 3d plus 3d dash is equal to e to the power x plus 2y. It is non-homogeneous. Clearly we have seen that it is non-homogeneous because each term have not equal degree. It is non-homogeneous. Homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Clear? And now we check it. It may be reducible or not. It may be reducible to linear factor or not. Clear? So for this we take d square minus d dash square minus 3d plus 3d dash z is equal to 0. Now I divide this page in two parts. So the complete solution. Clear? There are d minus d dash square. The factor of d minus d dash square is d minus d dash into d plus d dash. Clear? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? Take minus 3 common, then this becomes d minus d dash. Z is equal to 0. Take d minus d dash throughout this equation. So we get d minus d dash. Clear? D dash becomes 3, so the d plus d dash minus 3 is equal to 0. So it reducible to linear factor. Clear? Here in the first factor a is 1, b is minus 1 and c is 0, and in the second factor a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 3. So in this case we write the CF is e to the power minus c upon a. C means 0 upon a 1 for first factor into x phi 1 bx minus a by, clear, plus corresponding to second factor e to the power minus c by a minus 3 by 1 into x and phi 2 bx minus a by, b is 1, bx minus a by is 1. Clear? So the e to the power minus 0 becomes 1 and phi 1 take as even arbitrary function, so we can write phi 1 is x plus y. Clear? Plus e to the this becomes e to the power 3x and phi to x minus y. This is the required CF of the given problem. First, now find the PI. PI is 1 upon f d comma d dash. That means write the d square. Now take the factor of this. Clear? Dear student, the factor of this are d minus d dash. So we can replace this by this. So I write in place of this the place. Clear? So this is d plus d dash minus 3 e to the power x plus 2y. Clear? Now replace d by d dash. Replace d by a. Replace d by a means 1 and d dash by b. B is 2. Now replace, there are two factors. If we replace d by 1 and d dash by 1 in first factor, there is no problem. But in second factor, this becomes 0. So now first of all, we solve this factor. This is 1 minus 2 and write this second factor as it is. Clear? E to the power x plus 2y. Now if we replace d by 1 and d dash by 2 in this second factor, then this becomes to 0. So in this case rule is fail. So in this case we multiply, this is minus 1, we multiply x and differentiate partially with respect to capital D. Differentiate partially with respect to capital D. D plus d dash minus 3 e to the power x plus 2y. Right? This is minus x and differentiate partially with respect to capital D only. So this becomes 1 e to the power x plus 2y. So this becomes x e to the power x plus 2y. This is the case when our rule is fail. Clear? So complete solution. Complete solution is z is equal to CF plus PI. Clear? CF phi 1 x plus y plus e to the power 3x phi 2 x minus y and PI is x e to the power x plus 2y. Clear? I hope understand you learn this first type of PI very well. Clear? Now we learn the second case of PI. Case second, when the f x y will be form of sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by. Clear? Now we know that the formula of PI is 1 upon f d d dash sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by. Rule is same for both. So I am taking both together. Clear? When we find the PI of sin ax cos ax in case of non-homogeneous linear differential equation, express the function f as d square d d dash and d dash square. This is sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by, right? There is no problem here. Clear? In the case of sin ax or cos ax, for finding the PI in non-homogeneous partial differential equation, replace clearly replace d square by minus a square. This is not clear, student. Understand that this is not minus 1 a to the power 2. This is minus 1 a square. Clear? And replace d dash by minus ab. Clear? And replace d dash square by minus 1b square. Clear? So this becomes 1 upon f of minus a square. This becomes minus ab. This becomes minus b square sine ax plus by or cos ax plus by, right? Provided f of minus a square minus ab minus b square will not equal to 0. If this is 0, suppose if f of minus a square minus ab minus b square is equal to 0, then in this case rule is failed. So b multiplying x and differentiate partially denominator with respect to capital D. If b multiply y, differentiate partially denominator with respect to capital D. Sorry, capital D dash. Clear? And rule is similar as suppose in this case pi is, if we multiply x, then differentiate partially with respect to capital D. So this is this is differentiate d square d dash and d dash square sine ax plus by or cos ax plus by. Clear? So in this case this becomes x 1 upon f dash, or replace d square by minus a square, d dash replace minus ab and minus b square sine ax plus by or cos ax plus by, right? Condition is that f dash minus a square minus ab or minus b square must not equal to 0. Clear? Now we learn the whole this process with the help of the suitable example. D square minus d dash minus 2d dash square plus 2d plus 2d dash is equal to sine 2x plus y. Dear students, before solving this problem, first of all we check that this equation is homogeneous or not. Clearly this equation is non-homogeneous. Homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. After that we check that it may be reducible or not. Again we check that it may be reducible, it is reducible or not. For this finding it to be reducible or not, so we try to factorize it. So d squared minus d dash minus 2d dash squared plus 2d plus 2d dash z is equal to 0. In the previous problem, we factorize it d plus d dash. Clear? D plus d dash into d minus 2d dash plus 2z is equal to 0. So CF in this case, for finding the CF, here A in this first factor, A is 1, coefficient of D, B is the coefficient of D dash is 1, and C is 0 in the first factor. In the second factor, A is 1, B is minus 2, and C is plus 2. Clear? So CF in this case corresponding to first factor, e to the power minus c by a. C by a means 1x. Clear? 5 1 bx minus a by plus corresponding to second factor, c by a, c is 2 by a 1 x. 5 2 bx minus a by. Clear? So this becomes 5 1 x minus y, because e to the power minus 0 is 1, plus it is e to the power minus 2x. In this function both term is minus, so we take the phi 2 as even function, so this becomes 2x plus y. Clear? 2x plus y. This is the CF. Clear? Now we learn about the PI in next page. We know that PI is 1 upon fd comma d dash into fxy. Clear? In this problem, fd comma d dash is d square minus d dash minus 2 d dash square plus 2d plus 2d dash into sine 2x plus y. Clear? For finding the PI in case of non-homogeneous linear partial difference with constant coefficient, replace d square by minus a. Here a is 2 minus a square. Here a is 2. So this becomes minus 2 square, that means minus 4. And d dash square, replace coefficient of y. Here coefficient of y is 1, minus b square minus 1 square, that means minus 1. And d comma d dash replace by minus ab, minus a, and a is, here a is the coefficient of x is known as a, and coefficient of y is known as b. So a is 2 and b is 1, so this is minus 2. Clear? Now replacing d replaced by minus 4, minus ab replaced by minus 2, sorry, d replaced by minus 2, d dash square replaced by minus 1, d dash square replaced by minus 1. Clear? Minus 1 plus 2d plus d dash as it is, sin 2x plus y. So this becomes, this is minus 4 plus 2, this is plus 2, and we get 2d plus d dash sin 2x plus y. This is cancel out. So we get 1 upon 2 d plus d dash sine. Now we divide the slide in two parts for better use the page. Clear? 2x plus y. Again, in the non-homogeneous partial differential equation, the rule is applied on d square, d dash square, and d dash. So we use the we multiply numerator denominator by suitable conjugate of this. The suitable conjugate of this is d minus d dash. Clear? Suitable conjugate operator of d minus d dash is, sorry, d plus d dash is d minus d dash. Clear? So multiplying suitable conjugate operator, numerator and denominator, right? So this is d plus d dash and multiply d minus d dash. 2x plus y, clear? 1 upon 2 d minus d dash. This becomes d square minus d dash square sin 2x plus y. Again replace d square by minus 4 and d dash square by minus 1 sin 2x plus by. So this becomes minus, sorry, this is 1 upon 2 and in denominator minus 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 1, sorry, minus 4 plus 1 and d minus d dash sin 2x plus y. This becomes minus 3, so this becomes minus 1 upon 6. Multiplying the term by term, both operator, sin 2x plus y minus d dash sin 2x plus y. D means partial differentiation with respect to a. D means partial differentiation with respect to a. D dash means partial differentiation with respect to y. So we use this, so we get 1 upon 2. The partial difference with respect to x is 2 cos 2x plus y minus partial differences with respect to y is cos 2x plus y. So we get minus 1 upon 6, 2 cos 2x plus y minus cos 2x. This becomes cos x, cos 2x plus y. So this is the pi. So complete solution z is equal to CF plus pi. Please write the value of CF and pi and we get the required solution. Dear students, I hope you understand both the cases of CF. Okay, thank you.